today we have this 2018 Honda Civic Si. Alright, this comes with a 1.5 liter engine. No longer has VTEC like these bad girls do, but it is turbo, but it is a 1.5. Anyways, enough sarcasm. Let's go ahead and remove these coil packs so we get to those spark plugs. Alright, using a 10mm socket with an extension, we're going to break these nuts loose here, or these bolts holding these coil packs. And we'll just drive these bolts out. And we'll put these in a nice safe area. And they're using plastic now instead of aluminum for valve covers, which this will cause some oil leaks in the future. Next, we'll disconnect the coil packs, press in the little release clip and pull them out just like so. Next, we'll remove the coil packs, and I like to sit them just like so, so I know which one is which and which one goes back into place. Really does not matter if you mix those up or not, but in case you have a misfire, you kind of want to know which ones are which, so you'll be able to test them out by switching them around and see if that misfire jumps. Alright, this one doesn't even use the spark plug socket. We're going to be using a 14mm deep socket with 2 extensions to break this loose and drive this out. And we'll do the same thing to the other 3. Break them loose and drive them out. Alright, and because I don't have a spark plug socket for that 14mm, we'll be using a magnet to be able to reach in there and pull the spark plug out. And same process for the next 3. I think those still have a little bit more thread on them. Alright, and there we have the spark plugs. Oh yeah, they needed to be replaced. Pretty burnt. So we have the replacements right here. Some NGKs 95660, and we'll do that on the next video. This video is just how to remove them, so stay tuned for the next video of how I install these spark plugs on this dirty little girl. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.